4 minus 9i all over negative 6i. So we have an I in the denominator here. We need to get rid of that. We're not allowed to have a root of -1 in the bottom. And what we can do here is we can just multiply the top and the bottom by I. Notice this is not a binomial, so I don't need to do any complex conjugates or anything like that. You can multiply by -I on the top and bottom if you want, but it's not necessary. When we distribute our I, so we'll have I times this 4, that would be 4I. And I times negative 9I would be minus 9I squared. Negative 6i times I would be negative 6i squared. Remember our substitution. I squared is the same thing as -1. So I'm just going to plug in -1 into those spots. So this will be 4i minus 9 times -1 all over -6 times -1. And let's clean that up a little bit. So this will be 4i. -9 times -1 is just going to be plus 9. And -6 times -1 is positive 6. And we're done. Another way, though, that we could write this if we wanted in that nice standard form with the a plus bi is we can split this up and view this as 4i over 6 plus 9 over 6. We can reduce the 4 over the 6. That's 2i over 3. 9 over 6, we can divide top and bottom by 3. That's 3 over 2. And with our standard form, we want the real number part coming first. So this would be 3 halves plus 2/3 I. And for me, for our class, for what we're doing, I am okay with this. But you should understand how to write it like this as well.